Hey, 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 everyone. Well, it is race day, Mississippi Thunder. It is almost an hour, 45 minutes past the normal start time. We just had a rain shower. I don't know, half-hour shower, would you say? Half hour. There might be another small snow coming. But everyone's starting to unload. He wants to hit the track here by like 7:30, I think. So it's kind of a damned if we do, damned if we don't situation. So we're going to start unpacking. If we get another small rain delay, we'll deal with it then. Like I was telling everyone else, the track from here doesn't look too bad. It's wet, but it's not puddled. He hasn't hit the track yet with this tractor, which he might be behind me right now, but I mean, I don't know. It's kind of up in the air. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna load like a normal night. We're gonna set some stuff up because eventually we're gonna lose light here. I see there's Jeff right there with the tractor. There he is. I'm gonna predict the tracks to be very similar to how it was for practice for us this year. It was heavy, fast, but I think characteristic-wise, I think it's gonna be very similar to what it was for when we came here for practice in April. So I guess, yeah, so this is supposed to be night number 5. I've still only seen 2 trailers pull out. I don't know if they were micros or what. But everyone else is here. People are starting to unload, and this is the nature of dirt racing, right? Like I was just telling Dad, it's damned if we do, damned if we don't. I mean, Josh is over there, just ran a quit trip. He's ready to have his first night of racing. He's sitting the track right now. Looks like he's got, well, what's that called? A little finger thingy. He's fingering it.
Oh, he's fingering
it. If you're older, you know what that means. Family show. So I guess we'll kind of see how the track turns out here when he works it. So we're going to finish unloading. Heidi, I think's under there setting up the lights. Corey's got some of the cords running. We'll fire up that old generator of ours and get her going and just start pulling carts out. So yeah, I guess I'll be back. I'll keep you in tune what we got going on. We'll be back. All right, everyone. Well, it's been, I think, an hour and like 15 minutes. I've got the boys making last minute changes to their gear right now. Looks like Jeff raised the track a full groove where we normally would run. He's got tires there. So I've got him changing gear for accordingly. Track is soft. I guess at this point I'm not doing anything setup wise. We're just gonna go out and send it and go from there. So, well, Leona's going. She starts outside second row. So let's watch the little one, see how she does, and see how that new pedal system works for her. Wish you luck. she finally went full throttle and the caution came out. She's still a little timid. She's glad she's got a bigger motor and it's faster, but she's still a little timid with it. So we'll just keep working with her. She's got to work within her her comfort level. Can't get mad at her for. She's doing good. She's starting first now on the restart, but they don't really line them. They just line them up wherever you get to Jeff. So learning class. So, but I guess I'll send it back to her and we'll see how she does for the rest of the race. So wish Leona luck. She did fantastic, especially that last lap. Just got to get her a little more comfortable around other karts. When she gets going, she's good. I'm right now climbing the muddy mess of the big track to get to our pit. So we'll talk to Leona, see what she thought, and see how the boys are doing on changing our gear and go from there. So we'll be back. All right, well, I guess we're gonna find out if our gear changes work. Autumn's out there right now, so she starts sucking her inside, so wish her luck. Let's see how she does. Oh man, she was whipping it. She turned like a 15 something, fastest lap. Car was a little loose and she spun it, but hey, you know what? We're gonna hone that in. She's sent it 3 wide. After I told her drop down behind people to get in the groove, she didn't even listen to me.
She's just like, father.
So out next is the Predator class. Dad, there's only 3 of them. Dad starts outside pole, Riley's on the pole, and then Taylor Brenner's on the second row inside. So drop the gear. Let's see what this does. Wish them luck. I dropped him a gear. He thinks it hurt him off the corner. I'll verify his RPMs and we'll make a gear change if we have to. So up next now is the Sportsmans. Corey's in the first split along with Josh. Josh decided to start last. Originally he was second row outside. He is now starting last. So Corey moved up to second row outside. Then the old man starts pole in the second split. There's 12 of them tonight. So I'm going to send it down to Corey's camera and let's see what he can do. He's got a game plan in place already, so let's send it. Corey sent it, was flying, took the lead, and just took off. So I guess we'll see if that gear helped hurt, if he was still chipping or if he wasn't chipping, see how the car was handling. They keep moving the tires up. They keep moving the tires up, so Corey kept popping them in, and then they push it back out again. So, all right, old man starts on the pole on this one. So let's see what he can do. Wish the boy luck. Well, after we did debriefing, we've decided we were all under-geared. So we're actually changing all three, the two Sportsmans and the Predator, back up a tooth to the starting gear we had to get the RPMs back to where they should be. Josh is actually chipping, so we're dropping him a tooth, and he was a little tight off the corner, so we're actually adjusting his cross. Again, he doesn't know what to expect. This is his first time racing on dirt, so this is all new to him, but I think he's close to the ballpark. So he's making his changes. The boys are over there getting the other stuff done. Autumn's over there getting her cart ready. We're actually leaving her gear. She's higher RPM than what we were supposed to, but we're going to leave her RPM where it's at and adjust the chassis. She was loose center off, I'm guessing back on throttle. So we're moving some weight and we're adding across her wash, and we're gonna send her and see what she does. She was out there flying. She shouldn't be disappointed with that race. Yeah, she spun out, but you know what? She was hitting her marks really good and she was freaking flying. So I had a lot of people turn their head and go, "What? Is that Autumn?" So, all right, well, Leona's feature is up next. We've been talking to her, encouraging her to hit that pedal, and I guess we're gonna see what she can do, because I know she can do good once she gets comfortable. And I think that's, Mom just asked her, "Are you nervous?" and she said no. So let's see how this feature goes. So wish Miss Leona luck. some debriefing with the boys and ladies. Made our changes. We made our chassis changes with Autumn. And the boys told me they don't want to do nothing to their karts. Old man, I kind of wondered if he's got good ground clearance. He says, yeah. I said, do you think the ruts are kind of throwing you around? Possibly. So we're just going to send them how they are. That's the plan. Corey said he liked how his felt. Josh made his changes, so we're just going to send it and see what the features do. Corey starts pole. I heard vlogging. My wife's picking on me. So, let's see here. Where does Autumn start? Last? Oh, she could just go forward then. Hammer down and go. So she starts last. So she can just hammer it and go. Our dad starts outside pole for the feature. And then for Predator. And then 206, Corey starts pole. Dad is second row inside. Josh is fifth row inside. 2 karts left. So unfortunately Chris sleep and his friend Fleck left. So hopefully they have a safe drive home. So, but at this point we're gonna get the Predator and Junior 2 ready and we're gonna go racing. Right, Taylor?
Yeah.
Word. All right. Well, racing coming up. Autumn did fantastic out there. Chassis was definitely better, but I think we got to keep working on her entrance. She's dive bombing the corners. We got to slow her entrance to be faster. We'll talk to her, see what I think. A couple of the ruts are throwing her around, but we got to slow her entrance, get her down in the groove, and she'll be fucking flying. Sorry my language. Predators are up next. Old man starts outside pole. We went back up a tooth, give him a little more RPM. I guess we're gonna see what happens. So wish the boy luck. Let's see what we can do. Well, they just hit the track. Corey starts pole, Dad starts third, second row inside, Josh starts fifth row inside and ninth. We lost 2 cars, so we're down to 10, so I think it's a 14-lap feature. Let's see what these boys can do, huh? Let's go have some fun and let's send it. Well, we took 1-2. Did he get third?
He did!
Yeah! We took 1-2. Corey won it. Old man got second. Sounds like Mr. England got third. So congratulations to them. We're heading up to victory lane right now. Congratulate the boys. Guess the gearing was right this time. Corey looked pretty good around that bottom. Josh looked like he had a lot of fun out there too. We'll talk to him afterwards. See what his thoughts were. First time out on dirt. I think he's doing really good. So we'll talk to him, see what he thinks. So I'm gonna get us to the victory lane and so I didn't get much footage from victory lane because the next class had already started. Corey said his car was on rails. Old man seemed happy, so we'll talk a little more when it's a little quieter. I better bust my butt, get up off the track before they start the next race. So I'll be back.
It's because I got the Wyatt Wolfe Jr. I'm on here, you know?
I forgot we never changed that.
No. Remember, you're still racing.
Yeah, I guess I'm behind the wheel, huh?
Yeah.
I'm doing all the work.
That's right.
Well.
Oh.
Hey, now I heard that.
But yeah, another good night.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got the races in.
Heck yeah. I think we all would have been itching till Rice Lake next week.
Oh, God, yeah.
True that. So that gives you, what, 4 here, and we got 2 at Rice Lake.
Yeah.
Technically 3, but an eighth inch took it away, but it's all good.
Yeah, oh yeah. Autumn had a good heat. She was rolling.
Yeah.
Then she stepped on her dick and spun it and coming out of turn 2. And
Hey.
it happens. We all done it.
We all done it.
We have all done it.
Rance actually turned around and said, hey, we've all done it, man. We've all done it.
But she come off with a big smile still.
Freaking tell her to tuck it underneath, stay in line, and she just sends it in the third lane and says, "Nope, Uncle Wyatt, here we go."
Yeah.
Very much.
You gotta say that motor does pull pretty good.
Jeez.
It does.
Yes, thanks, Doug Willing.
It's
Yeah,
very
dude.
nice.
We hit a different RPM on that sucker, and she livened it right up.
Shit, 66, 67.
67. I was told to spin at 64, 65, so.
There we
So we had a good night, right? Oh man, what'd you say? You had a heat win, a second.
Second.
Can't argue with that.
No.
Corey swept it.
Yeah.
Autumn was it?
He took off. Like, of course, I pushed him to the lead.
Oh, is that what it was? Oh,
I got
gotcha.
right on him and pushed him to the lead.
Gotcha. Had nothing to do with the 5.0 clutches
we
or
were-
anything like
we were-
that.
I mean,
Well,
5.0
5.0
clutch is doing it.
We were flat foot into 3. Didn't even get to the corner. And we were.
Gone.
And I saw Matt Troush. The only time I saw Matt was at the start. And Stevens. And we were gone.
Yeah, they were right there with you. Now that you say that, I want to say, might have been Stevens was trying to get around you into 3. You were arcing a little higher than he was,
Yeah.
but you're freaking run off of the corner though. And then after time, you just started pulling away. But you would come in like a groove higher, and you could see he was trying to peek his nose. And then you'd hit the center, and it was like someone launched you out of a cannon. And you'd pull Stevens, and then eventually you just kept growing that.
One thing I gotta say, the more and more I run that clutch, that 5.0 clutch, it doesn't give up.
No?
As soon as that thing hooks up, and I never got out of it. It was hooked up the whole time.
Yep.
And it was.
It was good.
Yeah.
It was
Josh
good.
is excited about getting his.
Yes, true that. Get it next week. That's the
Yeah.
plan.
So.
That's the plan.
And another thing on the 5.0 clutches from Shane Bebrock, on my first heat, the leaders took off, and I was sleeping on the start, and when I punched it, I kept right with them.
Yep.
So, thank you for those clutches.
Heck yeah.
Hit them up.
Hit them up.
Facebook
Yep.
is probably the best place.
Yep.
to
Fast
message them.
Factory or through
Or
Shane's
we can give
personal.
you his stuff.
Yep. You can send in a bully. He'll redo it, or
Yeah.
he'll get you a new one and set it up.
Prices are good.
So.
So, yeah.
Oh, we got one more cart to load up on the stand, and then Heidi literally has set this up for us just to roll everything in, drop the tents, and go.
Thanks to Heidi.
I think we should close this out, huh?
All right, y'all. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, ring that bell, comment.
Show the love. We'll catch you on the next video. Ow.